year mechanics. Today I am going to present my seminar on steam power plant in subject of power plant engineering. A steam power plant is a thermal power plant where heat energy is converted into electrical energy by the steam. Next, the introduction to steam power plant. Steam power plants are facilities that generate electricity by converting thermal energy into mechanical energy. They primarily use water and fossil fuels like coal, oil or natural gas as their energy sources. These plants have been a vital part of power generation for over a century due to their efficiency and reliability. Basic components of a steam power plant. The main components include the boiler, turbine, generator, condenser and feed water pump. The boiler heats water to produce high pressure steam used to drive the turbine. The condenser pulls the exhaust steam from the turbine back into water for reuse. Working principles of a steam power plant. Water is heated in the boiler to produce high pressure steam. The steam expands through the turbine, causing it to rotate and generate electricity in the generator. The steam is then condensed back into water and returned to the boiler to complete the cycle. Types of boilers used in steam power plant. Fire tube boilers contain hot gases passing through tubes surrounded by water. Water tube boilers have water inside the tube, heated extremely by combustion gases. The choice of boiler depends on the plant size, efficiency and operational requirements. There are two types of boilers. The first one is the fire tube boiler and water tube boiler by method of steam generation. Rankine cycle in steam power plant. The Rankine cycle describes the ideal thermodynamic cycle for steam power plant. It involves four main processes: pumping, heating, expansion and condension. Optimizing this cycle improves the efficiency and output of the power plant. Efficiency of steam power plant. The efficiency is affected by factors such as steam pressure, temperature and cycle design. Modern plants include superheaters and reheaters to increase thermal efficiency. Overall efficiency typically ranges from 30% to 45% depending on technology and conditions. Environmental impact and pollution control. Steam power plants emit the pollutants like carbon dioxide, SOx and NOx, contributing to environmental issues. Pollution control measures include electrostatic precipitators and flue gas diffusion. Using cleaner fuels and adopting advanced technologies can reduce environmental impact. Advantages of steam power plants. They can generate large amount of electricity reliably and efficiently. The technology is well established with proven track record. They can utilize various fossil fuels and are adaptable to different scales of operations. Stop. The disadvantages and challenges. They have high capital cost and require substantial land and water resources. Emissions contribute to air pollution and global warming consumption. Maintenance and operational costs can be significant over the plant's lifespan. Advantages and disadvantages of steam power plant. The advantages of steam power plant. Steam power plant can respond to rapidly changing the loads without difficulty. A portion of the steam generated can be used as process steam in the different industries. Steam power plant can be located very conveniently near the load center, as steam power plant can be set up near the industrial zone. Transmission costs are reduced. The fifth one, steam engines and turbines can work continuously under the overload of 25%. Cheaper fuel can be used. Less space is required as compared to hydroelectric plants. Cheaper in production cost as compared to the diesel power plant. And coming to disadvantages of steam power plant. Coming to disadvantages of steam power plant, maintenance and operating costs are high. The cost of plant increases with increasing temperature and pressure. Long time required for aeration and putting into the action. A large quantity of water is required. Great difficulty experienced in coal handling. The plant efficiency decreases rapidly if plant runs below 75% load. Presence of troubles due to smoke and heat in the plant. Future trends in steam power plant. Steam power generation. Integration of renewable energy source and combined cycle steam system is increasing efficiency. Development of advanced materials and supercritical technology enhance performance. Innovations aim to reduce environmental impact while maintaining the reliable power supply. Thank you.